Hey, what's up guys? People always ask me how I get such good results making spawn without a flow hood or a still air box. I always tell them there's no shortcut, and a still air box or a flow hood is going to make a huge difference lowering your risk of contamination. But you can definitely get started without one. It's all about staying clean. I've prepared a little guide with some tips to help you get that success you're looking for without all that spendy equipment. Before you do anything, I recommend you put on clean clothes and wash your hands. In order to get started, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a bag of quality spawn, an inoculation syringe, a pair of gloves, a spray bottle of 70% alcohol, a lighter, and a clean towel to wipe everything down. Turn off the air conditioner and the fan in the room. Make sure that the air isn't moving around. You want the air to be as still as possible. After you have everything turned off, wait about 30 minutes so that the air can calm down. Take the time to thoroughly wipe down your work surfaces with the 70% alcohol. I like to unroll my spawn bag and also spray it down, give it a good wipe down. Be really careful on this next step. The alcohol fumes are flammable, so make sure you have the lighter up and away from the alcohol that you just sprayed. But take your needle and your lighter. You're going to flame sterilize the end of the needle. You're going to get it red hot so that you can see it glowing red. I like to spray just a little bit of the liquid out of the end of the syringe. You'll hear it sizzle, and that'll instantly cool that syringe down. After that, I inject my bag. I like to inject like 2 to 4 milliliters per bag. After you've injected your bags, make sure to store them in a warm, dark space, around 75 degrees. I like to put it in the cupboard or in some drawers. Just remember, the mycelium is breathing, so make sure that wherever you set them, it's not airtight. And that's it. You're all done. Different cultures grow at different rates, so make sure to check with whatever you have to know how fast it should grow. But as a general rule, I check it once a week. With most varieties, you can expect to see mycelium in 2 weeks. But just know it could take up to a month, 2 months for it to start growing. Thank you so much for watching. You can find all our products at thegreenroostergourmets.com. I'll leave a link below so you can check out all our kits. They come with everything you need, including detailed instructions. And make sure to check back with us. We should have a bunch more videos coming out.